Hi guys, namaskar, bonjour and welcome back. So today again is a question and answer session. So the first one is मुकुल. तो मुकुल आप मुझे पूछ रहे हो कि मैंने रिशाल झा के साथ वीडियो बनाया है, so can I talk with him? Unfortunately, I cannot because he is no longer staying in France. He left for India, so I'm not in regular touch with him. बट जहाँ तक जॉब सर्च वीज़ा और कोर्सेज का सवाल है, कॉलेज द पेरिस की जो टीम है वो काफ़ी अच्छी है अकॉर्डिंग टू रिशाल, एंड और भी कुछ लोग हैं जिनसे मैंने सुना था. तो जो उनकी एडमिन टीम है, कॉलेज का कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड ऑल काफ़ी अच्छा है और कोर्सेज भी अच्छे हैं जॉब सर्च वीज़ा के लिए. तो जैसा मैंने आपको बोला, आप सीधा कॉलेज से पूछिए, आप किसी भी थर्ड पार्टी को मत पूछिए. सीधा कॉलेज ही आपको बता सकता है कि आपका कोर्स सर्टिफाइड है या नहीं एंड आपको जॉब सर्च वीज़ा मिलेगा या नहीं. The next one is Jesslyn Verghese. So asked me the lowest tuition fees. So according to me, the lowest tuition fees in business schools, private business schools, can go from 8,000 up to 10,000, the lowest. But yes, if you want to apply to certain colleges, for example, you can ask from College de Paris to have some scholarship or any other colleges where you are applying. And if you want to pay the lowest amount to study your masters, then the best thing is to apply to a university, searching a bit about your field and which university will suit your profile. According to that, apply to the particular university, but make sure you have to keep your French learning in process. So you can try that because the fees for masters in university is from 2,700 euros to up to 3,700 euros. So I guess that's what you are looking for. So you have to apply for that. However, the application starts from March ending or April. So keep an eye on that and apply accordingly. The last one is PP. You have asked about international marketing course. So yes, it is considered to be one of the best. I myself has done international business management, and all these international fields are actually very helpful for all the French brands and all the other brands who are always looking for people who has international exposure. But do not get into the trap of anybody that you can study this course, you come here because it is international course does not mean the companies will not ask you for French. So getting job in this sector, international marketing, is very tough because here there are various openings for marketing, digital marketing, social media marketing, etc. And every company wants that you speak good French. Good French means at least B1 to B2 level of French you should know. Minimum B2, I must say, because that will give you the capability of talking with others very easily, and you can explain and describe your professional side as well, your professional sector, professional field as well. So job scope is good. Keep in mind, French is must for it. You cannot let go of French here. You have to learn it. So guys, that's all for today, and I will be back next time with some more answers to your queries. So you all know what to do. If you have query, you can comment below, you can send an email to indianskalyapa@gmail.com, and you can DM on Instagram. My Instagram ID is below, Madhvija, my name. And yes, I do speak Hindi as well. Like, share and subscribe the videos and the channel so that I can see that if the topics are really interesting to watch, and that's how I can come up with more ideas on the topics. So until next time, adios and namaskar.